Hello there. If you own one of these Dewalt planers, then you absolutely need these wings, the infeed and outfeed table. The most common issue with a planer is snipe, and that's as the board goes in, the blades dig in, or as the board leaves out, the blades dig in on the back end, and you have like 2 or 3 inches of wood that is not the same thickness as the rest. What these two infeed and outfeed tables do is it puts a slight angle on it. So it's just like you lifting up on the tail end of the board as it goes in, or picking up on the nose end as it leaves the planer. So this does it for you, and they are pretty cheap, less than $100, and it installs in minutes. Tell me exactly why you shouldn't get this in the comments, because I have no clue why they sell this machine without these. They are a literal game changer. Let me show you how to install this. All right, as you can see, there's a larger hole and a smaller hole. You take your larger stepped Allen bolt, put the spring on it, and come through the hole. Now on the other side, you put on the nut. You need a 10mm, and because of the ridges, the socket will not work. And then the lower one, it's threaded already. So make both of them snug. And do the same thing to the other side. Hey, I want to take a second and ask you, if you're finding value in this, please like, subscribe, share with somebody else who could use this knowledge, and I appreciate you for watching. All right, now for this top piece with the spring, you can push it in. So you line up the bottom, and push in the top. And now you're set. When you're done, it folds up. Now all I have to do is switch around to the other side and do the same thing. So with it angled high, what that does is it drives your wood in on an angle so that the blade doesn't nick and jump into this first, and it adds pressure on the roller to keep this down as it goes in under the blade. It's really cool that the front folds up like this. It's really annoying that the back doesn't stay up. Now there's 2 things that has this issue. One is the power cord, and the second part is that this this part of the support is actually hitting on here. Now I'm half tempted to grind that away, and I think that will fix this hitting issue, the issue there. I don't know if it will gain enough clearance for it to actually stand up by itself. So one way around this may be to use the cord itself to wrap around. Might as well wrap around both so they don't fall down by accident. And then you just hook it there. I think that's the best case solution to tidy up everything and to get it out of the way. That does it for my little 3-part series on this. So if you're interested in putting a helical head in here, I have a video right here. And if you ever have any electrical issues whatsoever dealing with this, be sure to check out the video down here that will walk you through every possible electrical issue and how to fix it. All right, thank you so much for watching.